I'm Takahiro Miyao. Today, I am going to talk about Japanese design, beautiful yet practical. What is Japanese design as compared to Western design? Well, it is often said that one of the most important ingredients or characteristics of Japanese design is irregularity or asymmetry compared to regularity and symmetry in Western design. And the well-known scholar in Japanese culture and literature, Donald Keene, Columbia University emeritus professor, who has recently become a Japanese citizen, pointed out that there are four principles of Japanese beauty. They are, first, irregular design, irregularity. Second, simple design, simplicity. Third, suggestive, suggesting some emotions or meanings. And fourth, perishable or nature, perishability or temporariness. And from the viewpoint of design, the first two are the key ingredients of Japanese design: irregularity and simplicity. And that those tend to cause some emotions in Japanese, in the human mind. So that suggests something, and then the causing some sense of perishability. Okay, now so in that sense, irregularity is very important. However, I think the Japanese enjoys a contrast between regularity on one hand and irregularity on the other. I'll show you some examples. Here is the typical Japanese room, nicely laid out with tatami mats and the alcove and so on. In this regularity setting, there's an irregular wood pillar here, natural wood, which looks really irregular. So the Japanese tend to enjoy this kind of contrast between irregularity and regularity. Another example is again, here is a picture of Japanese, traditional Japanese room, open to the outside world, like a Japanese garden. And here again, there's a contrast and also harmony between the nature and the artificial objects like a housing. And here is the natural irregular shape of the garden, and then as contrasted to the regular shape of the windows and the houses. Okay. So that's irregularity, and contrast between irregularity and regularity are the important characteristics of Japanese design. Another characteristic is its practicability. So its practical aspect, and it is well known that the Japanese products are known to be very beautiful and simple and practical. And this practicability of Japanese design originates in not only arts but also crafts. In the West, the designers used to be hired by the powerful and rich and powerful, to create something magnificent to impress people in the top-down fashion. In contrast, Japanese designers are essentially craftsmen, creating some crafts and interacting with the consumers and people around him, and that kind of bottom-up interaction led to Japanese design. So Japanese design is more the bottom-up and interactive and practical than the Western design. There are a lot of examples of this practicability. I'll give you an interesting example. As you know, Tokyo has recently been selected as a city to host the 2020 Summer Olympics. And now people are talking about the 1964 Tokyo Olympics. And they talked about how much the Olympics then contributed to the reconstruction and development of the Japanese economy and society. But we must not forget that the 1964 Tokyo Olympics made an epoch-making contribution to the world of design, especially in terms of so-called pictograms, that is the picture language, visual language, such as these. And a group of Japanese designers got together to come up with these visual signs, visual language to indicate, to show various sports. And as you see, you can immediately tell what kind of sports they are here. So that's for the sake of viewers, participants, and the general public with diverse language and culture backgrounds. And one of the leading designers in Japan, Mr. Yukio Ota, whom I have known for several years now, participated in this Olympics design project, came up with the set of universal design later on, and in early 1980s he drew this kind of sign that is for emergency exit, and this sign has been adopted as an international standard by ISO in late 1980s. So as these activities indicate, Japanese design is very much interactive with the general public, and the Japanese design is a means of communication and the means of achieving harmony between the nature and the human beings, or among the human beings in a bottom-up way, as compared to the top-down nature of Western design. Well, that's about Japanese design, beautiful yet practical. Well, thank you for viewing.